These are the Partner of the Year award winners. This year, we had record-breaking 4,700 nominations from 115 countries around the world. And we're celebrating 113 organizations with 144 awards today. We have two types of awards, country awards and category awards. Can I ask our Partner of the Year award winners to please stand up? First, congratulations to our country winners. Well, congratulations, so well done. Now let's recognize our category winners. Congratulations.
It was awesome to spend the evening with all of our winners last night at the winner reception. Congratulations to all of the category and country winners. It's a fantastic accomplishment, and frankly, we would not be the company we are today without your leadership and support of the entire ecosystem. So thank you so much, and congratulations.
Please have a seat.